What is the engulfing pattern? Engulfing candle tend to signal a reversal of the current trend in the market. This specific pattern involves two candles, with the latter candle engulfed the entire body of the candle before it. Although an engulfing bar is technically valid, if it engulfed just the immediate bar prior to it, note that the more prior bars that this bar engulfs, the stronger it gets. Types of engulfing patterns. There are two engulfing candle patterns: bullish engulfing and the bearish engulfing pattern. First, bullish engulfing pattern. The pattern involves two candles with the second candle completely engulfing the body of the previous down candle. Interpretation: price action must show a clear downtrend when the bullish pattern appears. The large bullish candle shows that buyers are piling into the market aggressively, and this provides the initial bias for further upward momentum. Traders will then look for confirmation that the trend is indeed turning around by making use of indicators, key levels of support and resistance, and subsequent price action after the engulfing pattern. Second, bearish engulfing pattern. The bearish engulfing pattern is simply the opposite of the bullish pattern. The bearish engulfing candle often triggers a reversal of an existing trend, as more sellers enter the market and drive prices down further. The pattern involves two candles with the second down candle completely engulfing the body of the previous up candle. Interpretation: price action must show a clear uptrend when the bearish pattern appears. The large bearish candle shows that sellers are piling into the market aggressively, and this provides the initial bias for further downward momentum. Traders will then look for confirmation that the trend is indeed turning around by making use of indicators, levels of support and resistance, and subsequent price action that occurs after the engulfing pattern. How to trade engulfing pattern. Engulfing candles don't always have to appear at the end of the trend. When viewed within a strong trend, traders can glean information from the candle pattern, pointing towards continued momentum in the direction of the existing trend. In this video, I will give you an easy step process to trade engulfing pattern. So, let's get started. Step 1: isolates the trend. The first step in applying the engulfing candle trading strategy is to determine the dominant trend direction, and that's the direction you will trade in. A trend is defined by higher swing highs and higher swinging lows in price. Prices move in waves, advancing, pulling back, and then advancing again in an uptrend. The advancing waves are larger than the pullback slower, creating overall progress higher. During an uptrend, you should take only long positions, buying with the intention of selling later at a higher price. The downtrend is defined by lower swinging lows and lower swinging highs in price. In a downtrend, the declining waves are larger than the pullbacks higher, creating overall progress lower. During a downtrend, you should take only short positions, selling a borrowed asset with the intention of buying and returning it later at the lower price. Step 2: watch for an upward or downward pullback. Once the trend is established, wait for a pullback. There is no trend or it is unclear. Don't utilize this strategy. Waiting for a pullback means you are getting advantageous pricing for the next wave of the trend. When and if it unfolds. If the trend is down, watch for an upward pullback. The pullback should not rally above the high of the prior pullback, as this violates the rules of the downtrend. And if the trend is up, watch for a downward pullback. The pullback should not drop below the lower the prior pullback, as this violates the rules of an uptrend. The pullback should be accomplished after at least 2 price movements, indicating the price has actually corrected. Pullbacks may move in the opposite direction of the trend or may just move sideways. As always, if you learn something new, or if you want more videos more often, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave us a like to show your support. See you next time.